Hello learners. In the last class, we discussed how to construct sentences using be verbs. In today's class, let's learn how to make them negative and how to frame questions. Look at the sentence. He is a businessman. If you want to make this negative, place not immediately after the be verb, that is. He is a businessman. He is not a public servant. He isn't a public servant. Is not can be shortened into isn't. My house is a short walk from here. It is not far. It isn't far. My house is a short walk from here. It isn't far. So I place not immediately after the auxiliary verb. You are gullible. You are not cunning. That is, you aren't cunning. Or not can be shortened into aren't. In order to frame questions, place the be verb before the subject. Look at this example. Is your sister in the UK? Your sister is in the UK is the sentence. Is your sister in the UK? I just place the auxiliary verb before the subject, your sister. Is your sister in the UK? This is yes or no question. If you want to make it a WH question or information question, place an interrogative pronoun before the auxiliary verb. Is your sister in the UK? Where is your sister? Where is your sister? Where is placed before the auxiliary verb. Is a wedge a carpentry tool? A wedge is a carpentry tool. Is a wedge a carpentry tool? Is placed before the subject. If you want to frame it into an information question, you place the interrogative pronoun in the first place. What is a wedge? What is a wedge? So today we have learned how to frame negative sentences and questions by using be verbs. Please don't forget to look up the words gullible, cunning, and wedge in the dictionary to learn the meanings. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much.